Hello everybody, this is the N7000 reviewer and I'm here with a new video, and it is the Night Owl CM12 Beta 7, which is running on the latest version of Lollipop, which is Android version 5.0.2. So let me just go into the settings to show you about phone, and here it is, 5.0.2. There you go, the latest version of Lollipop. Alright, so based on my first video about the Night Owl, the first version, I think Beta 2 or Beta 1, I don't know which video I've made previously, there have been a lot of changes added to this ROM. First of all, this ROM feels a lot more fluid, so no more of those lag issues, and also it also seems that video is not working properly right now, so you don't have to worry about that. So if you want, we can just go into the gallery and I can show you a video. So we can go right here. Okay, the video player is working fine, as you're about to see. See there. Working absolutely fine. There you go. So, aside from that, everything else is working. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, you name it. And let's see all the other stuff. Gaming works fine on this also. This ROM is very fast, very fluid. But there are a few problems. One thing is that sometimes Wi-Fi just turns off, like just randomly like this, and that could be a problem, especially if you're downloading a file or downloading a big file. It just shuts down immediately, and when you try to turn it back on, it will turn back off, and then you have to wait for it, and it takes time to connect, so it could be a little bit frustrating. The other thing is that I don't have root access. I don't know how this happened, but I lost my root access. So even if I want to go to Super SU and I want to update the binary and click on normal, I give it a little bit of time, and then it tells me that the installation has failed. So I don't know why this happens, but I've lost my root, which can be quite frustrating because there are some apps with root that require root, and I've lost my root access. But recovery is still there, and I could still flash other ROMs. So as you can see, it says installation failed, please reboot and try again. And also another thing I've realized is that the battery life isn't really that good on this ROM. Sadly, it isn't good yet. I mean, that's the biggest drawback of this ROM. If root was working, the battery life was as good as the other ROMs, then trust me, this ROM would have been perfect. Would have been the perfect ROM for the Galaxy Note N7000. And really, other than that, there's nothing much, really. The interface looks quite the same. Here you have the settings, look quite the same. You can adjust your themes. You can play around with your status bar, change the battery icon, you know, the usual. And to be honest with you, I think that's pretty much about it. So overall, this ROM is almost perfect. I can see the improvement, and that is great. So they just need to work on the battery life. They need to work on getting root access. I mean, I don't know how I lost my root access. Root is usually there after you flash a custom ROM, whether it's Jelly Bean, Ice Cream Sandwich, or Kit Kat. But in this case, I don't know how I lost my root. So, I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me which ROM I should review next. If you like this video, please comment and like the video, and also subscribe to stay tuned for more N7000 reviews. And I will see you guys next time.